Here I have LENOVO K6 Note, and let me show you how to use the battery saver mode on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using your home screen. To have easy access to battery saver, let's use upper bar twice, and here let's find and select the superpower right here. As you can see, this is the ultimate power saver, so this is the most restrictful way to save your power. Your screen is dark, you can only use a couple of applications, but you can use your device for a really long time. So that's it. You can quit it by using this exit key, tab OK, and that's it. Now if you would like to change some setting with power saving, you can do it by using the settings and by finding the power manager right here. And here you've got the battery saver. Let's tap it, and you can enable the normal battery saver right here. So to help improve the battery life, battery saver reduces your device performance and limits vibrations, location services, and most background data. So you can keep it enabled, or you can disable this by using the same switcher, and you can also set up some automatic rules. For example, you can enable the battery saver when you have 5% of the battery or 15% of the battery. So that's it. You can go back and start using your device in a normal way. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.